Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jegawa Moha. So today many of you have asked me to talk about the process of buying land in Kenya. And I want to take you through the process. I actually did it myself when I was buying land, so you can also do it yourself. You don't need a broker. But if you don't have time, it is also advisable to talk to a person who is knowledgeable in this so they can take you through the process. So number one, you need to confirm that the land is genuinely owned by the person selling the land to you. And how do you do that? You do that by conducting a search with the Ministry of Lands. You pay about 350 shillings to do an online search. And once you do an online search and confirm ownership, you want to confirm whether the land has pending land rates, because there is no land transfer that can be done to a land which has pending land rates. So number two on the list is going to the Ministry of Lands and buying a map showing, we normally call it mutation, showing the plot that you intend to buy and the neighboring plots, just to confirm that the plot has the right dimensions on the map in the Ministry of Lands. With the maps, you go to the surveyor because you might not be able to actually confirm yourself the various details of the land. You use your surveyor to confirm the actual dimensions of the land and also to confirm that that is the exact place or location where your land is located. So after confirming that the land is genuine, what you want to do, number three, is to sit down with your seller and now negotiate and agree on the price. If, for example, the price you have agreed on is, let's say, 500,000, you will go to the lawyer and agree to make the payment, but you will not pay the whole amount at once. So you agree on part payment, and when you go to the lawyer is going to charge you, I think, about if it's not more than 1 million shillings, you normally pay about 3,000 shillings for the agreement. But if it's more, the agreement normally costs 8,000 shillings. And during this, you must ensure that the spouse of the seller is present if they are alive, because that is very important, because the only person who can be able to actually stop the subdivision or the transfer of land is the spouse. So after the board's meeting, you are now ready to pay for the remaining balance of your payment, and you're getting closer to getting your title deed. So once you finish the payment, you get the copy of the original consent report from the board, a passport photo, recent search, your KRA pin, 2 maps, and a copy of the agreement. You take that to the Ministry of Lands and 5,000 shillings, and now you are ready to do the transfer of ownership. At this stage, you will only go and pay for the stamp duty, which is about 4% in the big towns and 2% in reserve, and now you are ready to get your title deed. It is very advisable that after 6 months, you conduct an online search to confirm that the land has been genuinely transferred to you and now it belongs to you. That is the whole process. That is the 5-step process of buying land in Kenya. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel to get more resourceful content like this. Thank you.